good? What's up? What?
Okay, restart,
Cut. Yo, bro. What's good? What's up? What's poppin'? As y'all can see by the title of this video, I am going to be piercing my belly button. I personally, and I did this, no, not even personally, purposely, I let my hole close for like over 2 months just so that I know it's closed, just so like y'all can see like how to re-pierce it. For me, it's easy, and this is what I do. In no way, shape, or form am I like a professional at this, obviously, duh. But yeah, so if you want to do this and you end up bleeding forever, it's not really my problem, it's not my fault. Like 18 and up, that's all I'm gonna say. So don't try to sue me. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some alcohol and some paper towels, and I'm gonna wipe my belly button, you know, clean it or whatever. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and I'm gonna show you that. That's my little brother, don't mind him. I'm gonna block him though. Actually, no, I'm not. He could stay right there. He not paying me no mind. So basically, right, this is my
sucking in her stomach, y'all.
No, I'm showing him my belly. Oh, I'm ashy.
Yeah, I thought she was really that skinny. Stop the cap. Hey, breathe in and out for me.
Yeah, so don't mind my bed. I'm washing my sheets right now. So basically, this is my piercing as y'all see. I'm gonna get the alcohol and wipe it. Little 1-2 quick video. Okay. Let that dry. And this is what I use to re-pierce my belly button. It doesn't have to be the big one like that. I usually go for this one because it's thick and it's small. Yeah, I got my belly ring from the beauty supply store. And this is the only one that I really like. Oh, let me stop moving. This is the only one that I really like. Don't mind that. I cut myself earlier by accident. So yeah, this is the one that the only one I really liked. I need to order some. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out and this out, and I'm both going to wipe down both of them with alcohol. Like, don't put nothing in your body without wiping it down. That goes for everything. But yeah. And honestly, if you want to, you can literally soak both of them in alcohol for like 5 minutes or whatever. Do what you want to do, but I'll just wipe it down because I've been through this so many times, and no, I have never gotten an infection ever. Like, literally ever. Swiping this alcohol in there. Ooh, that's strong. Ooh. You smell that, Rahje'e?
No. Yeah.
Wait, they were stealing?
No, they wasn't stealing.
So why they did that?
Look.
That was a girl?
That was a guy or a girl.
That's a girl.
That's a girl. They do that, girl.
That's not funny. Alright, y'all, so
yeah, I just saw that at the end of the video.
I clean the piercing. I'm gonna put the bowl back on top. Cleaning it is very important because even though it's in a package, like, you still don't know where this came from. You still don't know where this came from. Like, it could be debris. You don't know. It could be dust. Somebody who was packaging it could have digged in their nose. And then you're gonna put it in your body? No, you're not. You're not gonna do that. You're gonna clean it off, right? Stop moving. Embarrassing. Alright, y'all. So look. This is what it looks like. I'm turning my brightness down so like y'all can literally see it. This is like literally what it looks like. So yeah. And then you clean this, right? I re-pierced my belly piercing with just using the belly ring, but I really don't suggest that because this right here, y'all see like the ridge of this? Hold on. The ridge of this right there. Y'all know what I'm talking about. right here, the beginning of the belly ring, you know, the ridges and stuff like that. If you try to do that, it's literally gonna cut your skin, like inside of your belly button. It's gonna, just don't do it. Just use a needle that goes straight through, because I used to like repierce my belly button like this. Learned that it's better to go upwards and then down. So you will put it in upside down if you don't have a needle. That's if you don't have a needle. Actually, just doing it the needle way, but if you don't, then you don't. But I have my needle. This is what I'm gonna do. First, I like to see like how far it can go, and it's just like right here. Literally, it's my hole is freaking closed. Let me see if I could go up here. Yeah, I could get through more, but still. So I'm gonna try to go up. I'm gonna try to go up, okay? This always works though, see? Literally 2 seconds. That literally took 2 seconds. And no, I promise you, it does not hurt. Like, literally, I've repierced my belly button like more than 5 times, and I haven't had this. I think I've had this for 2 years now. 2 years now. Like, it's almost been 2 years. So, yep, that's really it. This is how I repierced my belly button. Because I haven't seen any videos on YouTube of people actually repiercing their belly button pierce that has closed. And after I repierce it, I like to leave the needle in there. Be careful, because this could poke you. I like to leave it in there for a few minutes and just like rub it. Also, if you wanted to know, you can literally use I'm gonna show y'all vitamin E oil that you can get from the beauty supply store, and African shea butter what you can get from the beauty supply store. This was, I don't know, this was expensive. I'm not going front for this little thing. This was only $5. So, also in bio oil. So this vitamin E, shea butter, and bio oil is good if you are trying to like remove like the scarring off. Basically like the darkness around your belly button. If you're trying to remove that, then I suggest using those oils. I used to when I first got it done, but my piercing covers it, so it's just like whatever. And I'm not bleeding either. Some of you may bleed, some of you may not bleed. It all depends on your body type. You may bleed a little bit. I know I have blood on the inside, but like to be bleeding OD, you have tissue at the top. Because I know for a fact there's going to be blood there. And literally just push it through. Also, if you're scared, just don't think about it. But I promise you it doesn't hurt. I don't know if it's because I'm used to it, but my pain tolerance is very, very high. Very high. This is the only part that I hate, is twisting the ball back on, because like, where's the hole? And that's literally it. So now I have my piercing back. And now I'm going to put some vitamin E oil on top after I wipe it with alcohol again. So basically, alcohol is your best friend. Alcohol and oil, your best friend when it comes to repiercing your belly button. And this part may sting a little bit, but it's alright. You're gonna be okay. It's better to get a Q-tip, but I'm lazy and I don't feel like going upstairs, and this stings already, so I know it's cleaning it. Put some oil on my hand. It's like 2 drops, literally. I love this oil. It smells like lemons. I think that came off, but yeah. And that's it. Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm about to stand on my bed real quick Ooh. And watch that needle. Sit on my bed. I'm about to stand on my bed real quick just so like y'all can see. This is just how it is. Like super easy. I'm not bleeding. It doesn't hurt. I mean, it hurts a little bit, but it's like bearable because you know, like it's a piercing. You literally just put a needle through your body. Okay. And that's really it, y'all. Like, this is actually my first piercing that dangles or whatever. I'm gonna order some more. But, yup. If y'all know any places that sells like cute jewelry, like jewelry for piercings or whatever, let me know. I think I'm gonna get my ears pierced as well. So that should be coming soon. Other than that, I'm out, y'all. This is a little quick video. Yeah, if you're watching this is how I look like when I went to bed. Nah, I'm playing. But bye, y'all.